Okay. What are we here? We're gonna go under here with a 2. That's a lot of metal right here. And I like this because last time I was here, it's bigger than a quarter. I think a quarter would fall right down in there. So that's kind of cool. Okay, we are on, let me see here. So we're still on -4. And let's see, did I do a ground balance again here? We're at 15 hertz, I believe. And Park 2, I don't have this on. So this is your ground balance. It just does it automatically. I'm too lazy to do it myself. As I always freak out. I'm going to be under metal and I'm going to be ground balancing under metal and it's going to whack out my sensitivity. So let's see, what's 12? We'll let it'll probably tone down as I go here. It might stay at 12. This is sand, so it's not going to really change. All right. See, the volume is at 20, maxed out. We are no threshold, all tones, and still at -4. I just took one notched out, so that's something you guys might try because a lot of jewelry comes up in that area. Some of the cheap stuff, it's the bling bling stuff that comes up. And we're at 1. I think I'll still leave it at 1 for the separation because there ain't a lot of stuff here unless it gets pretty gnarly in here. We're on all metal mode. See, it's still kind of freaking out a little bit. There's not really sand under here. I don't know what crazy kid would crawl under here. It's picking that up. There's nothing really here. Don't make me crawl under there. No, I don't want to crawl under. It's a scary place. Alright, calm down now. Let's put you on. You can't go 0. 1 is the lowest number on the sensitivity. Hey, it's still picking it up though. Oh, you know what it is? It's foil. Watch this, I'm gonna take the hat off. It's a piece of foil. I can barely. No, maybe it wasn't that. I'm gonna put it right here though. Oh, could be down there. Let me get my 10 pointer. Alright. Now, I got my hat off and I'm doing the army crawl here. It was like a low number, wasn't it? Hey, look at that. I can get really close. Wouldn't that be cool if it was like jewelry? Alright. Oh, how am I going to do that? I got to put it back on my head. This is when the body cam comes in handy. Alright. I'm laying on my side here. And I'm going to probably find some foil here. What do you think? Yeah, oh, there it is. Hey! Oh man, I ripped up my badge. Police badge. Man, I always wanted one of those as a kid. Oh, yeah, that's foil. Alright. Was that it? Oh man. No jewelry? Okay. Alright. Let me get back out of here without killing myself. Oh my goodness. Okay. We're still at 1. I'm not going to go down very deep. 1 is pretty. I should try and see how far 1 actually goes. Hey, there's something here. Wow, that's like an 85. Wow. Says it's on the surface, 80 something. Okay, let's give it a shot. Gonna make me crawl under there again, aren't you? Ah, okay. Not really looking forward to that. Okay. gosh. I am on my stomach almost here. Anything for a target, right? What's that got 80 something, so? Hey, I got it, whatever it is. Hey, how about I just bring it out here? Bulldozer style. I just bulldozed it. Where'd it go? Yeah, right here. Hey, it's a coin. It's a crusty penny. You're my friend. I got 400. It's such a sin. I don't know. That's not even rhyming so well. Alright. Hey, but you know, that could have been something better. Alright. A penny. Didn't catch it last time. Probably wouldn't have picked it up. Too much metal. I couldn't have cranked up the sensitivity. Probably passed. Hey, there's another one right here. Wow. Okay. I'm going to do army. I got my digger stuff over here. I'm going to taking it. Don't be doing a 5-finger discount on me, man. Don't be messing with the detector guy. He's got a shovel, man. He knows how to use it. Oh, wow. Oh, I dug it up, whatever it was. What is it? Hey, another penny. Pretty cool. Hope they're not falling out of my pouch going sideways here. Hi! Finding pennies on here, a lot of pennies. I thought, I'm going to try under here. Nobody else is brave enough to do this. I got a camera going, so I'm actually videoing it. I got a YouTube channel. Hey, there might be another penny over here. Where'd it go? Maybe not. It says it's right here. Alrighty, where'd you go? That one's pretty deep. Oh yeah. Probably should have checked it for how deep it was, but I didn't. That's a really deep target. Alright, oh, it's a bottle cap. No good. Bottle caps are no fun. That was a deep one though. Okay. Something over here. Alright, let go of my trowel. Oh, what is this? A paintbrush. I always wanted one. I had a paint by numbers. I was a really good artist with the paint by numbers. Alright. Hey, we got here a pen. Hey, I'm really scaling up here on my art supplies. Yeah. I'm getting too close to the... Oh, I think that's... Yeah, junk. Let me see. I think that was it. It's freaking out. Oh, there's too much metal in here. I don't like it. Oh my gosh. This has happened when you hit 66, man. I feel like you, Garrett. Screaming. Can't handle it. Alright. Oh, to be a kid again. Wow, I don't think you can go any more than one on here because it's going to pick that up. Oh, man. Oh. what is that? 29. That is jumping all over. Are we on still? Yeah, we're in 1. Alright. Well, it's here. Looking at that, it's really low right here. I don't know if there's anything here or not, because yeah, there is something here. Couldn't really tell what it was. Alright. Here it is. It's out here somewhere. I knocked it out. Where'd it go? No, I did knock it out. I did not knock it out. I think I knocked it out. Nope. Wow, where'd it go? Wow, it's just way down here. Here. Where is it? I don't know. Is it metal? Yep. It is a bobby pin. Bobby pin. What's rusting away? That was down pretty far. Alright. Don't forget to subscribe, guys, and give me a thumbs up if you like these kind of videos. I include my expertise of what I've learned from myself and from others and from out in the field. So if you have any advice for me, feel free to share it. I will not be too embarrassed to, humble enough to accept it. Carol sent me some good advice, so hey, we're all in this together, right, to find treasure, so let's help each other. Don't forget to subscribe like I mentioned, and ring the bell. I think it turns dark when you actually get all the what do you call it, notifications. So you want to make sure you do that, and talk to you next time.